Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create and automatically schedule tasks for your housekeeping and maintenance team using auto tasks. Auto tasks are automatically scheduled based on an event in a reservation's life cycle, such as cleaning an apartment after each guest checks out. Auto tasks are set up within each property in Guesty, so let's go ahead and open one up. Now we're inside, the first thing we'll need to do is create a template, which will give your team all the info they'll need to complete the task. Let's click Tasks, and then Add a Template. First, we'll give the template a title. Let's say, Clean the Apartment. We'll add a description too to help your team understand exactly what needs to be done. Let's add the task's planned duration, which will let the assignee know how long it should take. Setting the task's priority is optional, but if you do, 1 is the highest priority and 5 is the lowest. We can also provide your team with a list of to-do items by creating a checklist, which they can cross off as they go along. Once you've typed in an item, press Enter on your keyboard to add it. If you already know who's going to be taking on the task, you can go ahead and assign it to them now. This can be to a specific person or to a group that you've already set up in Guesty. Members of that group can assign the task to themselves via the Guesty mobile app. And there's the option to assign a supervisor too. Feel free to leave this section blank if you plan to assign the task later. Let's upload some documents to help your team visually understand the task at hand, such as pictures of the cleaning equipment. Click Upload an attachment and add the files. And lastly, you can set up automated actions that occur once the task has been completed, such as changing the listing's cleaning status or sending a message to a guest or team member. Click Save, and you'll see that the template has been saved here. Keep in mind, if the property is a multi-unit, you can create different templates for each subunit so that different tasks can be performed per room. So let's now go ahead and set up the automatic scheduling. This is also done within the property by clicking Automation and selecting Auto Tasks. Now click Add Auto Task and select the template. Here's the template we just created. Next, we'll choose whether tasks should be scheduled based on a guest's reservation or on a personal stay by one of your property owners. This can be a great way to provide a more personalized experience for your owners. And finally, let's set up the task scheduling. We can choose a specific point in time, like 2 hours before check-in, or give your team a bit more flexibility by selecting a time frame. Let's say the apartment can be cleaned anytime between checkout and up to 1 hour before the next check-in. Click Save, and we're done. Tasks will be scheduled for all new confirmed reservations at the property. Thanks to Guesty, you can now manage your housekeeping and maintenance tasks like never before. Thanks for watching!